Hello, hello. I'm here to taste test this Ulker halley treat biscuit situation. I will see if I can find a link online for this, if I can, or a link, anything about this, I'll put it below. If you've ever tried this before, let me know what you thought of it, if you liked it or not. I am a fan of chocolate, and this looks like it has, you know, cream filling, cookie outside, then dipped in chocolate, so sounds promising for sure. Okay, I can smell the chocolate right off the bat through the packaging. Or not through the packaging, but once the packaging has been opened. Okay. Here's what it looks like. Definitely has a strong chocolate smell. Okay. It's actually a marshmallow center, not a cream center. The chocolate on the outside is a milk chocolate, but it's not overly sweet. The cookie has a nice firmness to it. Yeah, it's similar to like a whoopie pie. Huh? Pretty good. I give this a 4 out of 5. I give this a 4 out of 5 in the taste scale. Sorry for the loud coughing dog. But yeah, I would eat this again, and I would highly recommend to others. Let me know down below if you haven't tried this before, if you like cookies that have, or snacks that have marshmallow in them. Oftentimes I'm not a big fan, but this really works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.